Yo, hey guys, welcome to the Blender. Today we'll make first tutorial how to turn your SVG logo to 3D. Okay, let's go to everything here. Go to edit and preference, add-ons, and type vector. It's enabled. Make sure you enable it. Go to file, import in SVG. Select your file here and zoom in. I'm gonna remove that. Select your object here and click Ctrl J. Go to object and convert to mesh. Okay, go to tab to edit mode and select it. E for extrude here and go to back to object mode. You can S for scale it or rotate it as you want. Here it's turned. You're done.